Hi friends, welcome to Classmate Academy. Today we will discuss some problems related to time and work. First question, A can finish a work in 25 days and B can do the same work in 15 days. B worked for 10 days and left the job. A alone can finish the remaining work in how many days? Here it is given that A can finish the work in 25 days and B can finish the same work in 15 days. Let us go with this question by the parts method. Let us assume the parts is the LCM of these two, 75 parts. Assume that 75 parts and A can do daily 3 parts and B can do daily 5 parts, because 25 into 3 is 75, the total work is completed, and 15 into 5 is 75, the total work is completed by B. Like that, I assume 75 parts, A can do daily 3 parts and B can do daily 5 parts. Here it is shown that B worked for 10 days. Here B daily works 5 parts. If B worked for 10 days, means 10 into 5 parts, the 50 parts is completed here till here. A alone can finish the remaining work. Out of 75 parts, the 50 parts are completed, means the remaining parts are 25. These remaining 25 parts of work done by the A in how many days? It is asking in the question. A can do daily 3 parts. We had 25 parts remaining. These 25 parts by 3 parts, daily 3 parts, we will get the 25 by 3 days is the answer. 25 by 3 means 3 8s are 24 and remaining is 1 by 3. 8 1 by 3 days will take to complete the A remaining work. The answer is C. Okay, we will go to the next question. Here it is shown that Anil and Bipin can complete a work in 15 days. Both Anil and Bipin are completed in 15 days. I assume that Anil as A and Bipin as B. Both completed the work in 15 days, while Bipin alone can finish the work in 20 days. Bipin alone will complete the work in 20 days. Now same problem we will take in parts method. The LCM of 15 and 20 will take, the LCM will be 60. I assumed 60 parts. A plus B both, how many parts will be to complete the total work as 60 parts? A plus B will do 4 parts daily and B will do 3 parts daily. Here in question it is asked that in how many days can Anil alone finish the work? Here the question is asking that A, how many days the work will be completed. The complete A and B is doing 4 parts, but and B is doing 3 parts. How many parts will A will do? Just simply 1 part will do. 1 plus 3. Directly we can assume 1 plus 3, 4 parts, because 3 parts B is given here. 3 parts is 20 days. 1 part is 60 days. Here in time it will be reverse comparing to the work. If not, we will take LCM 60 total parts are 60 parts. Out of this A plus B means 4 parts are doing daily, A plus B, and B is doing 3 parts. We are subtracting total A plus B by B and we will get A. How much it is A? 60 by 1 is 60 days. Here Anil will complete the complete work by 60 days. We'll go to the next problem. Here it is shown that A and B can do a piece of work in 30 days and 40 days respectively. They begin the work together. Okay, but after a certain time A leaves off and B completed the remaining work in 25 days. After how many days did A leave? Here it is asking that A is doing the complete work by 30 days and B is doing the complete work, the same completed work in 40 days. It is also we will try in parts method. A 30 days, B 40 days. The LCM of 30-40 is 120. We assume 120 parts will be the total work. For A it is taking to complete 30 days, means daily how many parts are doing? 4 parts are doing. B is completing the work, whole work in 40 days, means how many parts are doing? Daily 3 parts. But in the question they asked that they begin the work together. A plus B together they begin the work. But after a certain time, here the time is not mentioned. Let us assume the time will be the X plus A leaves off and B completed the remaining work in 25. After only B worked for 25 days and the whole work is completed. B worked for 25 days, the whole work is 120 parts is completed. Already we assumed that A is completing 4 parts and B is completing 3 parts in daily. Means A is completing 4 parts, B is completing 3 parts. 4 plus 3 of X plus B is doing 3 parts. 3 into 25 is equal to 120. Directly we will do 7x plus 75 is equal to 120. Here 7x equal to 120 minus 75 is 45. Here x equal to 45 by 7. How many times will 7 goes in 45? 6 4s are 32, 42 and remaining is 3. X equal to 6 3 by 7. X equal to 6 by 3 7 6 3 by 7 means A leaves off after 6 3 by 7 days and remaining work completed by the B. A and B together leave the work after 6 3 by 7 days. Okay, the answer is 6 3 by 7. Next question. This is repeated. A can complete a piece of work in 25 days while B can complete the same work in 30 days. They work on alternate basis. Starting with A, both A and B follows this pattern for 5 days and then A leaves the work. In how many days will B finish the remaining work? Here it is shown that A will complete the total work in 25 days, B will complete the total work in 30 days. Here it is also will take parts method by doing easily. The LCM of 25 and 30 is 150. A will do 6 parts daily and B will do 5 parts daily. And the question is they work on alternate basis. This is question related to the alternate basis. Starting with A. A is starting the work on first day. Alternate basis on second day again B will work. Here it is shown that both A and B follows this pattern for 5 days. Only 5 days they are working in this pattern. A, B, A, B, A. third day, fourth day, fifth day. After 5 days, then A leaves the work. A leaves the work. In how many days B finish the remaining work? After these 5 days, only B is doing the work. We will take A as 6 parts, B 5 parts, A 6 parts, 5 parts, 6 parts. First 5 days, 28 parts is completed. In how many? Out of 150, 28 is completed. Remaining is 122 parts. This 122 parts is done by the B, because it is shown that B finished the remaining work. Okay. How many parts daily that B can do? 5 parts. Total parts is 122, and B is doing daily 5 parts. Means here 24, 5 24s are 122 by 5 days will take 2 by 24 2 by 5 days will take to complete the remaining work by the B. Option is A. Let's go to the next problem. Here A, B, C can do a piece of work in 30 days, 40 days and 50 days respectively. Beginning with A, B and C do the work alternate basis. This question also related to the alternate basis. We will do like as it is like previous one in parts method. We take A has 30 days to complete the work, and B 40 days to complete the same work, and C 50 days to complete the same work. Let us take the LCM of these three, which is 600. I assume 600 parts. A can complete that 600 parts in 30 days by doing daily 20 parts. B can complete the work in 40 days by doing daily 15 parts. C by doing 12 parts, it will complete in 50 days. Here it is shown that beginning with A, B and C do the work in alternate basis. A, B, C, like that it will go. I will cut here because ABC is continuously repeating, so I cut here, and I will find for first 3 days how many parts are doing. The first day A will work, second day C will work, second day B will work, third day C will work. In first day how many parts will A will work? Every day A is working 20 parts, so 20 parts. B is working 15 parts. Second day B will work 15 parts. C is working 12 parts. Third day C will work 12 parts. For 3 days they are working alternate basis. The whole work of 3 days is 47 parts. The options is related to 36, 38, 39. So I will take multiply by 12 on both sides. Here it will get 36, 47 into 12. 564 parts are completed in 36 days. In 36 days, 564 parts are completed. Again, the remaining how many parts is there? In 600, 564 taken out, 36 parts are remaining. The 36 parts again who will start? After completing 12 times of ABC, again A will start. A, B, C. 37th day A will complete 20 parts. 38th day B will complete 15 parts. In the remaining 39th day C can complete 12 parts. We need only 36 parts. 36 parts are left. On 37th and 38th day, the 35 parts of work is completing. On 38 days, this 35 parts of work is completing, means 599 parts are completed. Only one part is left. but C can do daily 12 parts. In we need only one part, means how much time to take complete C? That one part 1 by 12th day. One part 1 by 12th day. So the answer is 38 1 by 12. This is the answer, and option A. Thank you.